do a time lapse of what you're doing here?
No.
Why don't we show the video where I went and sat in the new C8 Corvette, and then we may end it with a little bit of AMG footage. Can't wait to see the new C8. Here we go.
Whenever you want to come down, just give me a call. Let me know your time.
6'5" fits in here with no problem. This thing looks fantastic, I gotta say. I dig the steering wheel.
So you got this.
Next to the yellow one, off.
Probably a little just like those things just don't do justice to the base job.
Standard seat in the 1LT, 2LT. Yeah. And that would be the upgraded if you went to a
Front.
Call it the front, right?
Trunk.
Yeah.
That looks nice. That almost looks like an under.
Awesome to get to sit in the new C8 Corvette. But don't worry, sunshine, you're not going anywhere. One thing you can't get in a C8, and definitely doesn't have that. Go check out what Manny's up to. What are you doing, Manny?
Putting in my transmission.
I thought you were swapping everything out of this
No, not
into
yet.
the white car. No?
Not yet.
So your transmission broke. You took it apart.
I fixed it.
You fixed it. Now you're putting it back in this car to make sure you fixed it right.
No, I have to drive something.
Oh. Very technical tool. All right, Manny. Call me when it starts.
All right, see you. I'm almost done. Putting in my. The only thing I have left is one more axle, and then hook up my exhaust, and I'm done. Complete.
Will it start?
Yeah. Do you want me to start it? It's
Try it.
loud. And it has a rattle, but the exhaust isn't hooked up, so.
Well, it might be all these tools sitting everywhere.
Yeah. Well, it has a rattle because my exhaust is hidden, so it's not hooked up, right?
Yep. Holy cow. What do you just have the header?
Yeah, it's just a header. It's pretty cool though.
Sounds like all the tools are rattling.
There's a bunch of stuff
All this
everywhere.
stuff,
And
yeah.
I have solid mounts now, so
Oh, really?
look,
It's gonna vibrate your
back in there.
teeth out of your mouth. Pretty
And
cool.
back in the seat back in there.
Well, she's a bit long in the tooth, but still looks pretty decent. Let's go out here and see what Manny's working on. There's the old girl, the E55 AMG. We had some paint chipping up here on the roof, so we removed the paint and exposed this neat looking aluminum. Well, I say we, Manny. Looks good, right? We're just gonna brush it and polish it. Definitely gives it a different look. This side's almost finished. Stuff's gnarly, huh?
Never again.
Good thing about this, you only have to do it once. Something pretty cool about the AMGs. You can see that's aluminum. That's steel. This is the pano sunroof, the solar panels. Rear quarter steel. Steel. Trunk, aluminum. Fenders, aluminum. Hood, aluminum. Little secret about the AMG. Well, it's kind of dark out, but look at this, guys. Manny, this is pretty fresh. Definitely stands out. Man, it looks totally different. So cool.
Get up on it. You can see that there's no paint on the weather strip. I lifted it up and took it all out. Literally.
We just have to brush it a little bit and polish it a little more. Very neat. Come back out in the daylight and look at it. Just rained, so it's a little bit dirty. Pretty cool. Morning, sunshine. Manny, what are you doing? My fog light's broken. Look at this. Must have hit a rock or something. Still works, but it's broke. What's up with this?
Got some dents. A lot of dents.
You gonna be trying to take them out? Is that for this car?
It was until those dents happened.
What are you doing to it?
I was starting to sand down the bay over here.
What are you dropping in this?
K-series.
Should be a lot better than these leaves.
Yep.
Josh is still waiting on his ECU.
He didn't buy it yet.
What's
He
he
was
waiting on?
supposed I don't know. I think he's just waiting to spend the money.
What about your black car?
Here's my money.
Hey, what happened to your bumper? What's going on with this fender?
It's just not put on properly.
Do you have a welder?
We just bought one.
Well, get to it.
It's in the BMW.
Which Josh is driving. You're letting down all your Honda subscribers.
Letting down myself.
Yeah, you're throwing sparks everywhere.
That was cool.
There's dried leaves and you're throwing sparks.
They're all wet.
Be a little safer.
I am safe. That's why it's over here. It's a controlled environment.
With gasoline.
There's no gas. Josh doesn't leak. Those are fine.
All right. Yeah. Be careful. Someday.
Someday very
Someday.
soon. No, the more you see, the
worse it gets.
Yeah.
All right, guys. Well, till next time.